What's up, truckers? I'm Overdrive's Alex Lockie, and I just got back from the 8th annual Gear Jammer Magazine Truck Show at the New England Dragway in Epping, New Hampshire. The show featured more than 600 registered trucks, food, drinks, music, and New England's only real drag racing, with all manner of vehicles tearing down the strip. On Friday, anyone could simply meet with the technicians and get the green light to power down the strip. Cars, pickups, motorcycles, straight trucks, and semis all shot down the track in front of cheering fans. On Saturday, the real truck racing competition began, though most of the owners I talked to weren't too eager to peel out like that. Not when they have work on Monday. Friday night, the show transformed with its Lights On for Autism Spectacular. All proceeds from the show went towards the Doug Flutie Jr. Foundation for Autism. Overall, Gear Jammer Magazine's Bob Conrad said the show raised more than $120,000 for autism, and they'll be back next year. Will we see you there?